Hey you guys, welcome back to my video, and today's video is going to be a mukbang. Hopefully I'm like in focus or whatever. But yeah, so today's video, if I'm looking away, so I'm looking at my viewfinder. So today's video is going to be mukbang. I'm having lemon pepper wings and some little pizza. It's homemade little pizza. So we're going to say grace and we're going to get in. Thank you, Lord, for this food I'm about to receive. Please bless it and be nourished to my body. In Jesus' name, pray. Amen. So I have me some lemonade for my lemon pepper wings. And some ranch dressing. I don't know if y'all know about this ranch dressing. If I can open it, I may not know about it neither. Yeah, this is my first time doing it with a different screen, so I'm excited. I got my ranch. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more seasoning salt, or lemon pepper seasoning on here. I hate when they like little hairs on the chicken. I don't be wanting to eat that. That's what I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna eat this one. Oh, let me do a thumbnail. Hopefully that's good. Hopefully. So, let's see. My bra is like aggravating me. And how y'all doing? Ooh, this one hot. Let me get another one. Hell, they all hot. Shit. Okay. How you guys doing? Y'all see that? Y'all see that smoke? Oh. Jesus gracious. Should got a fork. How y'all doing during this? What situation we got going on? This virus. And happen to be quarantined. And this homemade, y'all, too, so none just brought from the stove. I'm in from a restaurant. Because if y'all don't know, I'm not gonna eat no food in a restaurant right now. All this stuff going on, you never know who cooking your food. Not I. Ooh, this thing is hot. And y'all, Leon cooked this. So the way he cooked this, he fried it, put flour on the chicken, and he seasoned the flour. He fried it, and then he got a little olive oil and put some lemon in the oil, like actual lemon. And let that cook a little bit. And he using that to season my lemon pepper. And then I just sprinkle actual lemon pepper seasoning on it. And it tastes just like lemon pepper wings. So if y'all want to know how to make lemon pepper wings, there you go. It's so good, y'all. Y'all help me too. What should I call my mukbangs? Because y'all know I'm a cancer patient. And I want to help the cancer patients to be able to eat too. So hopefully watching me help you guys eat. If I'm eating, y'all need to be eating, okay? Ooh. And I heard we get $1,000 too from the government. Then you have to give me my money. Give me my money. I'd be able to break it if I had nails. I'm about to take these off. I cut my nails out, y'all. I'm not gonna get my nails done until this stuff is over. Until they get a handle on this, no nails for me. But y'all, my hometown, or the town I went to college with, they bad. Pray for them, y'all. They the second highest cases in the state of Georgia. And I washed my hands before I ate. You got to. Got my Starbucks cooked. I'm gonna try some of this pizza, y'all. Let me get some more ranch first. Now I'm hungry. I feel like I ain't even ate all day. I've been working. Don't taste like usual. How you make that one? Whatever sauce he use, he need to get another one next time. Y'all look at that steam. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all see it. Woo. Eat some of my lemon pepper wings that tastes in my mouth. That tastes nasty. I don't know what sauce that was he put on that pizza. But Nah, y'all. That pizza enough for me. Got my TV on, but it's on silent. Woo. Ooh. Have y'all seen the episode of All American, y'all? Let me move these over here. The new season is good, y'all. If you haven't seen it, binge watch it. A lot of y'all can't go to work no way. It's like it's hot, y'all. And I already got sensitive fingers. Like, super sensitive. Oh. 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 I'm about to shut up and eat now. We had 12 minutes. Ooh. That lemon pepper juice on there. With that ranch. Y'all see that? No, I'm gonna have to eye this by the time I finish it. I'm getting sleepy already. And how many of y'all be on TikTok? I want to know. I haven't used TikTok yet. I don't think I'm ever going to. I leave it to the younger folks. I'm like, girl, you ain't old. Talking like you 50-some years old. Just ain't with it. I think it's pointless. Personally. Yeah, I'm getting sleepy. Like, seriously. Shut that off. I ain't eating that. I think I'm gonna stop at this one. Because I am getting sleepy, y'all. I still got another piece left. Oh well, I ain't eating it. I ate 4 pieces of wings. Or 5. Now my appetite ain't like it used to be. I used to like tear all this up, like seriously. Not no more. And just finish this last one. You know, I'm really like about to go to sleep on y'all. But I can't. It's a date. I gotta wait 2 hours to let my food digest, unfortunately. Don't y'all hate that? When you had an itis and you want to go to sleep but you can't? I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Excuse me. I'm like, rude. I said excuse me. I said excuse me. So y'all can't fault me, okay? So, yeah, we're on 17 minutes. That's pretty good. I didn't want to bypass 20. So, thank you guys so much for watching my mukbang. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Your girl posts 2 to 3 times a week. Now, I will say this disclosure. Normally, I post 2 to 3 times a week. Depending on, excuse me, depending on how I feel. Because I know I take chemo and stuff. So depending on that week that I take chemo, depending on how I feel, determines if I post 2 or 3 times a week. So if you see that I'm not posting multiple videos a week, just know I'm probably not feeling well. And I don't have the energy to post. I literally be drained off of that chemo medicine. Like, I'll be like this. Like, I'll be like dead to the world. So if I'm not posting, just know I'm not feeling good. So that's the reason why I'm not posting. But if I post, I'm probably feeling well, or I have enough energy to post. So sometimes, like even today, I posted a video today on my blog. You should go check that out. I literally had no energy while I was making that video. So sometimes I try to force myself to do it, even though I know I don't need to. So they tell you to chill out and relax, but sometimes I just want to make sure I get videos up for you guys. So don't bash me in the comments if I don't post that week. Just know it's the reason why. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace, posse.